Yeah, see, this is 5.10 now. And so we have 2 lectures today. So we will be able to complete this sum today only. And we have 4 adjustments. Okay. 4 adjustments are there here. And a balance sheet is given for 2 years, that is 2013 and 14. It is of company BDM Limited. So following are the summarized balance sheet of BDM Limited as on 31st December 13 and 14. So have a look at all the liabilities: equity, preference, debentures, bank loan, reserves, P&L, creditors, bills payable. And have a look at all the assets as well. It is bank account which is used at the at the last of the solution part, which is opening cash balance and closing cash balance. Stock data are my current assets. Machinery, furniture, land, building, goodwill, these are my fixed assets. Of them, goodwill is intangible fixed asset. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now additional information means adjustments are given. So first adjustment is depreciation charge during the year 2014 was 4,000 on furniture, 12,000 on machinery, and 20,000 on building. So everything is given: machinery, furniture, and building. Depreciation for everything is given. You just have to make a ledger account and then post this entry there. Next, now again machinery. That means on the item of machinery, you have 2 adjustments, first and second, as of now. So part of machinery was sold for rupees 15,000 at a loss of rupees 4,000. So this is the adjustment which belongs to machinery. During 2014, interim dividend means half yearly dividend, which is paid for six months, twice a year. So it is half yearly dividend. Okay. Interim dividend was paid rupees 10,000. Now, can you see any item which is related to interim dividend in the balance sheet? Any item in the balance sheet which is related to interim dividend? No.
No, ma'am.
Therefore, yeah. Therefore, for this, ledger account is not required because we don't have opening and closing balance. Are you getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So 2014 interim dividend was paid 10,000. So if paid is 10,000, what will be proposed?
10,000 only.
Very good, very good. 10,000 only. Income tax was paid 5,000. Can you see any item which is related to income tax in the balance sheet?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Very good. So here income tax is paid rupees 5,000. Okay. Now next, last adjustment during the year, part of the building was sold at the book value. Now building, can you check the first adjustment? Do you have 20,000 ka building depreciation?
Yes, ma'am.
So again, two adjustments on building, first and fourth. Please remember, see, if we were doing, physically, I mean, if we had that physical book, so I would have asked you to tick, like if you have machinery ka adjustment, then go in the balance sheet, tick machinery 1 and 2. If if you have an adjustment on building 1 and 4, so I would have asked you to tick on the building and write down 1 and 4. So but now it is a PDF copy. I even cannot write anything or do anything on this other than annotation. So if you want, I will show you. Wait, huh? Like this. Like if we have on machinery, we have 2 adjustments. So here I will take, wait, I don't have a pencil here. So suppose machinery, I will click here on machinery and building and furniture. What else? Finish. So these are the adjustments. So I'm going to tick here. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So just example, machinery. We have two adjustments on machinery. So what I will do, I will write here. I will write here 1 and 2. On building, I have two adjustments, 1 and 4. So I will write 1 and 4. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Chalo. In your paper, you can do this ticking, huh? In your question paper. Because ticking, if you tick this, when you will come to this item, you will be able to, remember that, yes, on machinery, furniture, building, there are adjustments. So we need to hold on. With these items, we will need to hold on and we will do these items little later, means at last. Is that clear? Shall I go further? Yes or no? Okay. So you are required to prepare cash flow statement as per accounting standard 3. So come on, quickly open your, how to make that lines. Open a new page, write down 5.10. Company का नाम है BDM Limited. So write down BDM Limited. BDM Limited. ओपन किया, लाइंस ड्रॉ कीजिए. First page, cash flow statement for the year ended. Cash flow statement for the year ended. (2013 and 14). If you want to see once again, 2013 and 14. Write down on the first line, cash from operating activity. Particulars, amount and amount. Particulars, amount. Done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Leave 2 lines and write down cash from investing activity. Leave 7 to 8 lines and write down cash from financing activity. Come on, quickly. Done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now write down, come to the next page, a fresh page. Make another statement, which is cash from operating activity. Write down the heading cash from operating activity. Cash from operating activity. Next line. You have to make the columns, particulars, amount, and then start with net profit as per P&L account. Come on, quickly write short forms as of now. In the question paper, you need to write full forms, okay? Write down net profit as per P&L account. Next line, treat non-cash and non-trade items. Leave 10 to 12 lines. And now write down adjust working capital. Adjust working capital. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After adjusting working capital, you will leave the lines a few lines, that means say 7 to 8 lines are enough. Then write less tax paid. And then last concluding line, we will see, is it net cash used or it is net cash generated? So we will see, and accordingly we will write the sentence. So leave it as of now. Now, how many ledgers you require? How many ledgers you require? Can you tell me? Come on. Yes, for furniture, do you require a ledger?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, one furniture. For machinery, do you require a ledger?
Yes, ma'am.
Two ledgers. For building, yes or no?
Two ledgers.
Three ledgers. Very good. For building, with the building, we will have three ledgers. Okay. So second adjustment is also on machinery. So ledger is already made. Interim dividend and income tax paid. Do you require any ledger for this?
No, ma'am. It is a self.
Self to adjustment. Okay. Self to effects. We will show self to effects because interim dividend and income tax paid, we don't have any item which are related to them in the balance sheet. Therefore, we don't have opening and closing balance, and therefore no ledger is required. Okay, during the year part of building, so it is related to building only. So already we have made a ledger of building. So how many ledgers in all? Three. Come on, quickly come to next page. Draw the ledger, write down first furniture account, particulars amount, and leave it blank. How many lines? Say suppose 5 lines are enough, I feel, because only one adjustment is there on machinery, furniture. So 5 lines are enough. And then again, machinery account. Write down the heading machinery account. Okay. After that, come to, yeah, 1 minute, just a minute. Yeah, come to, the next line and draw particulars amount ke columns. And then you have to leave, say like 8 to 9 lines. 8 to 9 lines. Because on machinery, there are 2 adjustments. And then draw building account, particulars amount, building account. And you will have leftover page. जितना आपके पास पेज बचा हुआ है, leave it. Shall we begin with the solution part now? Come on, quickly, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start with equity shares now. Suppose, we are starting with equity now. So equity in 2013 is 2 lakhs and equity in 2014 is 2 lakh 50. Has it increased or decreased?
Ma'am, increased.
So what happens when share capital increases? When the share capital increases, when you issue or when you redeem?
Yes.
Issue.
Very
When
good.
we issue.
Yes, when we issue the share capital. So issuing the share capital is which activity?
Financing activity.
Go to financing activity. Very good. Tell me, add or less? Issue means shares given, capital comes in, cash comes in because we are selling the shares. So write down
Cash
add.
inflow.
Very good. Cash inflow means add. Go to financing activity. First page, main format. Write down there, add issue of share capital as you see on the screen. So add equity share capital. Come on, tell me what is the difference between 2 lakhs and 2 lakh 50?
50,000.
50,000 inner column without bracket. Without bracket because we are adding it. Done this much? Shall we go further?
Yes, ma'am.
10% preference share capital. How much it was? 50.
50.
And now how much it is?
80.
So has it increased or decreased?
Increased by
Increased.
30,000.
Increased means issue or redemption.
Issue.
Issue means cash comes in or goes out.
Cash comes in.
Cash inflow. Very good. Cash comes in. So cash comes in means add. Very good. Which activity?
Finance.
Go to financing activity and again write add issue of preference shares capital. 50 minus 80,000. So it will be 30,000. Inner column. See how simple the chapter is. Okay. Only
Yes,
two
ma'am.
sums you have done. And now you are able to answer me so many questions. See? Okay. Add preference share capital 30,000. 30,000. From where you got the got this amount 30,000?
Difference between 50 and 80.
Very good. Difference between 50,000 and 80,000. Very good. Next, 12% debentures. Earlier it was 1 lakh and now it is 80,000. Tell me,
Redemption, ma'am.
debentures. Very
Redeem.
good.
Redemption.
Redemption of debentures. Which activity?
Financing activity.
Add or
Finance.
less?
Less.
Why less?
Because हम पैसे नहीं ले रहे, cash
Because cash is going out. Very good. Cash outflow. Very good. Very good. So write down in the next line cash flow from financing activity. Write down next line less redemption of debentures. What is the difference between the two?
20,000. Bracket.
Very good. Very good. Bracket 20,000. Next, bank loan. So how much it was earlier?
70.
Now it is.
1,10,000.
Suppose I'm asking you, bank loan is given on the liability side. So which activity? Bank loan is given on the liability side. So which activity?
Financing, ma'am.
Financing. Very good. Because it is borrowed funds.
Borrowed, taken
Now,
from someone.
yes. Bank loan taken and bank loan repaid. There are only two options. Okay. If it is increased, it is taken. If it is decreased, that obviously it will be
Given.
Oh my God. No.
Paid off.
ये हाँ repaid.
Repay कर दिया.
मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनो. When bank loan is given on the liability side, how it will be bank loan given?
No, ma'am.
Will you give bank loan to bank?
No.
Or bank is giving you?
Bank is giving. Yes.
Yes. Bank is giving us the bank loan. Therefore, it is bank loan taken. It cannot be bank loan given, dear, because it is on the liability side. Now, if it is on the liability side, it is bank loan taken. Now, there are two possibilities. If the amount is increasing, that means bank loan taken. We are taking. But if it is decreasing, then bank loan repaid. Principal amount is repaid to the bank. Okay. Now come to the second option. Suppose if I'm asking you, if bank loan is given on the asset side, so what is the possibility?
Investing activity.
Loan given.
Very good. Loan given, investing activity. Very good. This is what I wanted. Two different, students have answered me correctly. One student said it is loan given. Another student said it is investing activity. Very good. But you tell me, if amount is increasing, then loan?
Taken.
Again, you are mistaking. Loan taken means borrowed funds. Borrowed funds means financing activity.
Given, ma'am.
Bacha, loan given means amount has decreased. Amount has decreased. If you are giving loan to somebody, then amount will decrease. But now, if amount is increasing, then you must have received the installment. Am I clear with the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Amount received towards the installment. It is not loan taken. Loan taken means liability side. Don't misunderstand the concepts, please. Okay, is it now cleared?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody has to keep yourself on mute. Please keep yourself on mute, everyone. Thank you very much. Now see, bank loan. Bank loan is 70,000 and now it is 1,10,000. Has it increased or decreased?
Increased.
Means bank
Increased.
loan taken or repaid?
Taken.
Taken. Mute, everybody mute, please. Okay. So bank loan taken means which activity?
Financial
Financing
activity.
Add or less?
add.
Very good, because cash comes in. Write down in financing activity, add bank loan taken. Add bank loan taken. What is the difference between the two?
40,000.
40,000. Very good. Inner column without bracket. Okay. Next, reserves. Reserves means general reserves. Tell me how much it was earlier? 20,000. Now it is 25,000. So transfer to reserves. It is known as transfer to reserves. So where it will go? Operating, investing, financing.
Operating.
Operating में कहाँ?
Non-cash, non-trade.
Non-cash.
Very good. Non-cash, non-trade वाले items में जाएगा. Because it is non-cash income, non-cash expense, non-operating income, non-operating expense. You tell me which type of expense it is. Which type of item it is rather? Is it
Non-cash.
Non-cash.
Non-cash
I
expenses.
know. Yes, this is what I wanted. Complete answer. Non-cash, only non-cash is incomplete answer. What I want is non-cash expense. So if it is non-cash expense, what will you do? Add or less?
Add.
Very good. Come to the next line, write down add transfer to GR. The amount was 20 minus 25,000. Look at the
5,000.
question. So answer will be 5,000 inner column. Next. Shall we shift on to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Profit and loss account. How much it was earlier?
50.
And now?
60.
So has it increased or decreased?
Increased.
Increased
by
means net
10,000.
profit or net loss? Increased means net profit or net loss?
Profit.
Very
Net
good.
profit.
If it is profit, then it has to be written without bracket. If it is loss, then we will write it in the bracket. But where we need to write? Operating, investing, financing. Operating, investing, financing. Come on, girls.
Ma'am,
Yes.
operating.
Operating. Very good.
Net
Operating. Net profit as per P&L account. Very good. So go to the outer column and write down 10,000. 50,000 minus 60,000, 10,000. Because it is increasing, therefore it is profit. If it is profit, we have to write it without bracket in the outer column. Why in the outer column? Because net profit is only one. Only single amount is given. Therefore, directly to the outer column. Everybody has written that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next, creditors. 60 में से 75 हो गया. So has it increased or decreased?
Increased.
Increase in creditors. Which activity?
adjustment.
Working capital.
But I asked which activity?
Operating.
Very good. So first you need to answer operating activity and then you need to say adjust working capital. So operating activity में जाकर you will go to adjust working capital and write increase in creditors. Come on, tell me, increase in creditors means direct relation or indirect relation?
Direct.
Direct means increase in creditors means add or less?
Add.
Write down. Add increase in creditors. Tell me, what is the difference between the two?
15,000.
Very good. Inner column 15,000. See, look at the screen. Okay, next. Next, bills payables. This is also my adjust working capital. So in adjust working capital, same we have to do. Bills payable 40,000 and now it is 33,000. Increased or decreased?
Decrease. Less.
Decreased means less or add?
Less, ma'am.
You, because it has direct relationship with current asset, current liabilities. Okay, now write down. Adjust working capital, less decrease in bills payables. Because it is decreasing, it will be deducted. Why?
Bracket में ना, ma'am.
Yes, bracket, very good. Why? Why it will be deducted? Because it has a current liabilities have an inverse relation with cash. And bills payable is my current liability only. Did you get this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Come on. Now next, tell me what is the difference between the two?
7,000.
7,000. How did you calculate 7,000?
40,000 minus 33,000.
40,000 minus 33,000. Very good, Jayashree. 40,000 minus 33,000. So it will be bracket 7,000. Okay. Next, we are done with the liability side. We are done with the liability side. Now come to the asset side, bank account. What do we need to do? We need to wait or we need to do right away now?
Ma'am, we will use it in last.
Very good. We need to wait now. Leave the bank account as it is because at the end of the solution part, it will be treated. It will not be treated now. It will be treated at the end of the solution. Okay. And we have not reached at the end of the solution part. So we need to wait until we reach there. Next, stock. Stock means adjust working capital. Tell me, it was 40,000 and now it is 75,000. Increase or decrease?
Increase.
Add or less?
Less.
Increase means less. Why?
Inverse relation.
Very good. Because current liabilities have inverse relation with cash. Therefore, if stock will increase, we will deduct that particular item from adjust working capital. Come to the operating activity, adjust working capital, and write down the third item, less increase in stock. It is increasing, but we will deduct it. So it is going to be opposite, inverse relationship. Tell me how much is the difference between 40,000 and 75,000?
Bracket 35,000.
Bracket 35,000. If you want, you can look at the screen and check with your answers. Is it 35,000 bracket?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to the next item, debtors. Debtors means 90 and 150. So 90 se 150 ho gaya. So increasing or decreasing?
Increase.
Increased. So increase in debtors means add or less?
Less.
Less. Same here only. Adjust working capital. Why we need to less? Why we need to deduct? Because it has an inverse relation with cash. Okay. Now write down less. Increase in debtors. What will be the difference between 1 lakh?
Bracket 60,000, ma'am.
Very good. So 90,000 minus 1 lakh 50,000, 60,000. So 60,000 will be reflected in the bracket. Yes, done up to, this point. Okay. Debtors is also done. Machinery, we have an adjustment. Furniture, we have an adjustment. Therefore, these points will be done at last. Land, do you have any adjustment on land?
No.
No.
ma'am.
So please keep it in mind. Whenever there is no adjustment in the fixed assets, for the fixed assets, if there are no adjustment, then if it is tangible and if it is increasing, then purchase. If it is decreasing, then naturally it will be
Depreciation.
very good, very good, very good. And suppose it is intangible. And suppose without adjustment, it is increasing, then purchase. And if it is decreasing, then what?
Written off.
Very
Return.
good. Beautiful answers. Very good. That means when we were doing first sum, whatever I taught you, you remember still, or today. Still today, you are remembering that. Only because you attend the lectures regularly, you listen properly. That is the advantage of listening and coming to lectures properly. Very good. Good job. So now on the land, we don't have any adjustment, first of all, first thing. So second thing is, we have to check if it is increasing, then it will be purchased. If it is decreasing, then naturally it will be depreciation. So you tell me what is happening here?
Increasing.
Increasing.
Purchase.
Out of it was 1,70,000 in 2013 year, and in 2014 year it is 2,80,000. So naturally it is increasing, no? If it is increasing, common sense, when the land will increase, when we will purchase. Only when we will purchase the land, it will increase. Okay. So now tell me, out of 1 lakh, difference between 1,70,000 and 2,80,000.
1,10,000.
1,10,000 land is purchased. Tell me, purchased land. या फिर
Investing
Investing
activity.
activity.
land purchased, investing activity. Add or less?
Less.
Less.
See, many students think that because land is purchased, no, land has come in. Land has come in. But we don't have to think about
Cash.
land.
Cash जा रहा है हमारा.
Yes. We need to think about cash. Very good, Shabnam. We need to think about cash. Cash goes out. Land comes in. Cash goes out. So we have to think about, we have to write the statement of land, but we think about cash. Okay? We have to think about cash. So cash goes out. When cash goes out, add or less?
Less.
So write down in the investing activity. Come to the investing activity, first page. Write down less purchase of land. 1,10,000 in the bracket. Less purchase of land. Bracket 1,10,000. Inner column. Done this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next. After land, we have building. So do we have any adjustment on building?
Yes.
Yes.
So what do? We have to wait for until we reach all the items without the adjustments, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's shift to the next item, which is goodwill. So what is the next item? Goodwill. Do we have any adjustment on goodwill?
No.
No. So if it will be increasing, then what?
Purchase.
Purchase of goodwill, which activity?
Investing.
Investing.
Add or less?
Less.
Why?
Cash.
Cash goes out.
Very good. Beautiful answers. Very good. Everybody, very good. Keep it up. Now, if it is decreasing, then what?
Written off.
Goodwill written off. Which activity?
Ma'am, operating में
Very good. Operating में कहाँ?
Non-trade.
Priya, operating में कहाँ?
Non-cash and non-trade.
non-cash.
Very good. Non-cash, because you cannot see goodwill. You're not going to pay somebody in the name of goodwill written off. You're not going to pay somebody. Please take, this is my expense. You're not going in market to pay somebody, this is my expense. It is only for, recording purpose. You record it in your books of accounts, but it is non-cash. Cash doesn't go out. So therefore it is non-cash expense. Because it is an expense, therefore it will be added in the operating activity under the heading of treat non-cash and non-trade items. So come on, quickly tell me what happens here. Increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing.
Yes, because it was 30,000 and now it is 25,000. So it is decreasing. Decreasing means purchase or written off?
Written off.
Very good. Good job. So go to non-cash item, operating activity, second page, second statement, non-cash and non-trade items. Then you need to write add goodwill written off because it is non-cash expense. And here expenses are to be added. Write down add goodwill written off. How much is it?
5,000.
5,000 lekin without bracket. Done. So we are done with all the items without adjustments. And now we are left with 4 adjustments only. So shall we take a break of 5 to 10 minutes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So take a break of 5 to 10 minutes. We will start after, say, like, now it is 10:52. Let's start sharp at 11 o'clock. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So take a break. Don't leave the lecture. Lecture is still on. I'm just keeping it on hold. Is that okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
ma'am.
Keep it on hold. Okay. Don't leave the lecture. Okay. So we have 4 adjustments now. Let's quickly complete these 4 adjustments also. Then we are done with the sum. Okay. Now see depreciation charge during the year, 4,000 on furniture, 12,000 on machinery, 20,000 on building. So which is the first ledger that you have made?
Ma'am, furniture.
Come on, let's do furniture then. Write down the opening balance of furniture. Which furniture is my asset or liability?
Asset.
Assets, ma'am.
If
If it is my asset, the opening balance will be shown on which side?
Debit side.
Write down 2 balance, carry down. What is the opening balance of furniture?
10,000.
Very good. 10,000. It is reflected in the balance sheet. And where the closing balance will be reflected?
Side.
Credit side.
Credit side. Leave two lines. Only 2 lines. Because only one adjustment is there. No. Therefore, I'm asking you to leave only 2 lines, and then after 2 lines, write down by balance brought down. By balance brought down. How much is the balance? Closing balance?
8,000.
8,000.
Yes, it is also reflected in the balance sheet. Now, tell me what adjustment is given? Depreciation. 4,000 on furniture. So depreciation means where, which side, debit or credit?
Credit side.
Credit side. What will you write?
By
By
depreciation.
depreciation.
You have 2 lines above closing balance.
Yes, ma'am.
You have 2 lines above the closing balance.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down by depreciation. By depreciation. How much is the depreciation on furniture?
4,000.
4,000.
Do you have any other adjustment other than this depreciation?
No, ma'am.
Close it. Close it. If you want, I can show you the ledger account. See, furniture. Opening balance is 10,000, closing balance is 8,000, by depreciation 4,000. Now, when you will close it, you will come to know which side is heavier.
Credit side, ma'am.
Very good.
Credit side.
So write down 12,000, 12,000 on both the sides. This is known as casting figure. 12,000, 12,000 on both the sides, and 12,000 minus opening balance, that is 10,000. You will get a balancing figure which will be nothing but purchases.
2,000 purchase, ma'am.
Very good. But you will not write purchase. You will write
Bank.
because of purchase cash goes out. Therefore, to bank account bracket purchase.
Yes, ma'am.
And this asterisk mark which is shown here, 3 asterisk signs, it is known as balancing figure. It is a symbol of balancing figure. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, sorry, to bank account bracket purchase 2,000 balancing figure. So leaving opening and closing balance, how many effects will be shown in the cash flow statement?
2 effects, ma'am.
2. First is depreciation. Tell me
Depreciation.
where depreciation will go?
Operating में non-cash.
Operating
Non-cash and
non-cash. Very good. Operating में non-cash. So because it is depreciation on furniture, non-cash expense. So what will you do? Add or less?
Add.
Very good. Write down add depreciation on furniture. How much is it? Look at the balance sheet. You will, sorry, look at this
4,000.
ledger. You will come to know 4,000. Very good.
4,000.
And how much are the purchases? Which activity?
2,000.
2,000. Which activity?
Investing.
Very
Investment.
good.
Investing.
Go to investing activity. Tell me, when
Less.
you are purchasing furniture, so cash comes in or cash goes
Outflow.
out?
Cash goes out.
Very good. Cash outflow. Cash goes out.
Less.
Add or less?
Less.
Less.
Because cash goes out. So less
Bracket
purchase of
2,000.
furniture, bracket 2,000. Very good. Less purchase of furniture, bracket 2,000. Is it clear this much?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
So I think furniture adjustment is over and the posting is also over. Yes, anything else left apart from this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now come to machinery account. Let's see what are the adjustments related to machinery account. Machinery has a depreciation and part of machinery was sold for rupees 15,000 at a loss of 4,000. Okay, so machinery is opening and closing balance. Can you tell me the opening balance of machinery?
75,000 on debit side.
Very good. On the debit side, you will write to balance brought down 75,000. Now, closing balance is how much?
60,000.
60,000. Where it will go?
Credit side.
Yeah. But credit side, please remember you have two adjustments. So
Yes,
you
ma'am. पूरी line
write-
छोड़ने के बाद.
Yes, 4 to 5 lines. Actually, 5 to 6 lines. 5 to 6 lines chhod do. And then come to the next line, write down by balance brought down. See the way I have written. To balance, 75,000 opening. By balance, 60,000 closing.
Yes, ma'am. ऐसे ही लिखे.
हाँ ठीक है ऐसे ही लिखा. अभी next. Machinery का depreciation. First adjustment. Depreciation charge during the year 4,000 on furniture. We are done with that.
12,000.
12,000 on machinery. So where we will write the depreciation?
Credit side.
Credit
Write
side.
down by depreciation on the first line.
Machinery.
The lines which you have left is for this. By depreciation 12,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Done this much?
Yes.
Next. Next adjustment is part of machinery was sold for 15,000. I don't want cost. I want selling price only. So what is my selling price? 15,000. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me, when you are going to sell the machinery, what happens? Where will you post? In the
Credit
machinery's
side.
account?
Credit side.
Yes. Write down by bank account bracket sales. By bank account bracket, because cash comes in, machinery goes out. Therefore, by bank account, nominal account says debit what comes in. What comes in? Cash comes in. Therefore, by means debit. Debit, we have to debit bank account. So by bank account bracket sales. How much is the machinery sold for? Machinery is sold for how much?
15,000.
15,000. Very
Sold.
good. So write down here 15,000 in the amounts column. Tell me, why do we need cost? To compare it with the selling price and to understand whether it is profit or loss? Yes, very good. But now directly they are giving you that there is a loss of 4,000. So why do you need the cost? Is there any need of cost if it is already reflected profit or loss on the machinery? Do you need
ma'am.
cost for that?
No.
No.
No, ma'am.
No. Why do we need cost? Because we will have to understand, we will have to determine whether it is profit or loss with the help of selling price and the cost price. But now when loss is already given to you in the question, so why do you need cost price? Okay, so now loss of 4,000. That means the machinery would have cost 19,000. The machinery's cost must have been 19,000. 19,000 की मशीनरी आपने 15,000 में बेची तो आपको लॉस हुआ ना 4,000 का. Do you understand? Yes, no, कुछ तो बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm understood.
Very good. So now loss is 4,000. Tell me, whenever there is a loss, Which side we
Credit
take
side.
it into?
Credit side.
Write down. What will you write
Profit
down?
and loss account. By profit and
By
loss.
P&L account. Very good.
Bracket में loss.
Bracket में loss on sale. By P&L account, bracket loss on sale. And the amount is already given in the adjustment number 2. Loss on sale is how much?
4,000.
Very good. So you will write here 4,000. Is there any other adjustment apart from this?
No, ma'am.
So close it. Which side is heavier?
Credit side, ma'am.
Credit.
How much?
91,000.
91,000. Take this same amount to debit side also and deduct this amount from all other
16,000.
figures which are given on the debit side.
Balance
How many amounts
16,000.
are given on the debit side?
One.
Only one single amount. Opening balance 75,000. So 91,000 minus 75,000. What is
16. 16.
16,000 is our balancing figure. So what it
Purchase,
is?
ma'am. Purchase.
Naturally, it will be purchases because it has come on the debit side and it is fixed asset. So it is going to be definitely a purchase. So to bank account bracket purchase 16,000 balancing figure. This much is clear with everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now let's leave opening and closing balance. After leaving opening and closing balance, all other transactions are to be reflected in the cash flow statement. So first
Fourth.
thing, depreciation. Tell me where it will go.
Non-cash and non-trade operating.
Very good. Operating, non-cash, non-trade. So go there and tell me add or less.
Add.
Why add?
Expenses, ma'am.
Very good. Non-cash expense. Write down add depreciation on machinery 12,000. It is there on the screen if you want to check. Inner column, add depreciation on furniture, add depreciation on machinery, inner column 12,000. Okay, done with the depreciation. Come on, quickly.
Yes,
Done?
ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me what about sales? Sales of machinery.
Ma'am, it will go in investing activity.
Investing. Add or less?
Ma'am, add.
Why add?
Cash inflow.
Cash inflow.
Very good. Go to investing activity. Sales is of 15,000. Look here. In the ledger account, 15,000 rupees sales. So go to pay, your main format. Investing activity. Add sales of machinery. 15,000. Add means without bracket. Add means without bracket. Is that very clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, sorry. Now we have loss on sale of machinery.
Operating, non-cash and non-trade.
Very good. Operating activity, non-cash and non-trade. By the
Add.
way, is this non-operating profit or non-operating loss? Non-operating expense or non-operating income?
Non-operating expense.
Expense.
So if it is an expense, what we will do? Very good. Go to next page, operating activity. Right there, add loss on sale of machinery, just as you see on the screen. Loss on sale of machinery, add. So it is 4,000. It is already there in the ledger account, huh? 4,000. Next. Depreciation done, sales done, loss done, closing balance not has to be shown. Opening balance also has to be ignored. Last thing which is left is purchases. So tell me, purchase of machinery, which activity?
Investing activity, ma'am.
Go to investing activity, add or less?
Less.
Why?
Cash outflow.
Very good. Very good. Less purchase of machinery.
Bracket 16,000.
Bracket 16,000. 16,000 is reflected in the ledger account. Okay, it is not given in the question. It is there in the ledger account because that was a balancing figure that you have calculated. So 16,000 in the bracket. Bracket means minus. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are done with machinery adjustment. All other effects are shown except opening and closing balance. All the effects are shown.
Yes, ma'am.
Now building. Let us come to building. Only one, no, two adjustments are there, first and fourth. So first is 20,000 ka depreciation, and the next is during the year part of building was sold at book value. Now, can anybody tell me, is there a printing mistake? During
No,
a year
ma'am.
part of building was sold at book value. I know it is sold. When he says it is sold, that means yes, it is sold. But where is the amount? Is there a
Ma'am, book
printing
value
mistake?
means opening.
ओपनिंग
हाँ,
बैलेंस मैम
हाँ
उसी पे
बच्चा, पर उस टाइम पे बुक वैल्यू क्या थी उसकी? आपको पता है कितने की बुक वैल्यू का बेचा? पार्ट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग वाज सोल्ड एट बुक वैल्यू, पार्ट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग, पार्ट। सो उस पार्ट की वैल्यू क्या थी? बुक वैल्यू। आपको थोड़ी पता है, वो तो उन्होंने बताया ही नहीं है, कहीं पे भी नहीं बताया। पढ़ो, कहीं पे बताया है?
नो
तो फिर
No,
यहाँ पे
ma'am.
क्या प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है कि उन्होंने अमाउंट नहीं बताया है? प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक इज नॉट देयर माय डियर, printing mistake is not there. Please try to understand the logic. See, opening balance is given, yes or no?
यस मैम
Acha. Depreciation is given, yes or no?
यस
Now, because the amount which is not given will be balancing figure, and it will be naturally sold. Why? Because he says that building is sold. Therefore, the balancing figure will definitely come on the credit side. It should come on the credit side. Why? Because he says the building is sold. A part of the building is sold. Pura building nahi, a part. A part of the building is sold. Therefore, balancing figure will naturally reflect on the credit side. Did you understand this much? Yes or no?
यस मैम
So whatever balancing figure will come, it will be related to sales of the building.
यस मैम
Okay. Shall we prepare a ledger account? Have you made the ledger account?
यस
Tell me, what is the opening balance of the building
1,40,000
and what is the closing?
99,000
Very good. Where will you write opening?
डेबिट साइड
Write down two balance brought down 1,40,000 and leave 2-3 lines on the credit side. Write down buy balance, carry down 99,000, closing balance. Closing balance. Now tell me, first adjustment. What is the first adjustment on building? Depreciation, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So how much is the depreciation?
20,000.
So write down by depreciation 20,000. Look at the screen, you will come to know then. Okay, so now we have another adjustment, but we don't have any amount. Therefore, we need to close it now. Close it. Which side is heavier?
डेबिट साइड
I
Debit
told
side.
you. See, debit side is heavier means balancing figure will be reflected on which side?
Credit side.
That's what I told you, my dear. That balancing figure will be reflected on the credit side. Isn't it? So now we will close. We will have a casting figure. What is the casting figure?
1,40,000
Yes, very good. So 1,40,000. Take it to credit side also. And deduct it from all the figures which are available on the credit side. How many figures are available to you on the credit side?
2 figures
2. That means 1,40,000 minus 20,000 minus 99,000. So what is the balancing
21,000
figure?
21,000
This is the book value. Now, you will ask me, ma'am, whenever we sell, there is a profit, there is a loss, something is there, no? But how we will calculate profit or loss? My dear, you need to understand, in the fourth adjustment, they are clearly stating that part of building was sold at book value. Book value means jitne ki thi, utne mein becha. The book value part of building was sold at book value, not at profit, not at loss. At book value means Means the building was purchased. Mute everybody, please mute. Kajal. Yes, okay. Now, your balancing figure is 21,000, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
21,000. Please listen carefully. 21,000 is your balancing figure, means 21,000 ka building is sold. Now you will say, what is profit, what is loss? I will say no profit, no loss, because the building was purchased for rupees 21,000 only. That is book value only, no? Now did you understand why there is no profit, no loss?
Book value पे ही
Because
हुआ ना.
हाँ, मतलब यहाँ पे profit भी नहीं है. There is neither a profit nor a
Loss भी नहीं है.
loss. हाँ, because you sold at par. Par means book value. Par means the amount which you purchased, for which you purchased, is the same amount for which you have sold that particular building in the market. Okay, so 21,000 is my purchase cost price. 21,000 is my sales price. Therefore, no profit, no loss. Okay, so 21,000 balancing figure, and here you will write by bank account sales. Now tell me, except this opening and closing, how many effects has to be shown in the cash flow statement?
2.
2.
Two.
Come on, tell me, depreciation, where it will go?
Non-cash and non-operating.
Add or less?
Add.
Come on, do it. Add depreciation on building. Do it. Write down. Add depreciation on building. 20,000 inner column. Next. Next we have
Sales.
sales. Sales of building is which activity?
Investing activity.
21,000 is the amount. So tell me, add or less?
Add.
Go to investing activity, format number 1. Write down there, add sales of building 21,000 inner column.
Done, ma'am.
This much is done, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, how many adjustments are there that we have to do complete?
1
2.
That we have to complete are 2 adjustments. Still 2 adjustments are there. Look at the third adjustment. First, second, and fourth are done. Now look at the third adjustment. During the year 2014, interim dividend was paid 10,000. Now let's do it first. Okay. Interim dividend paid 10,000. Where it will go? Dividend paid. Which activity?
Financing, ma'am.
Very good.
Financing activity.
So go to financing activity. Tell me, when we are paying dividend, cash comes in or cash goes out?
Goes out.
Goes out cash.
Goes out means less
Less,
or add?
ma'am.
Less.
Write down. Less interim dividend paid 10,000 bracket. It is given, 10,000 is given in adjustment number 3. Now tell me, if it is paid 10,000 in the bracket, everybody please put the bracket, inner column.
Yes.
Now if it is paid, what is proposed then?
10,000 only.
Same, 10,000 only. Very good. So tell me, proposed dividend, where it will go?
Non-cash
10,000.
expenses.
Very
Add.
good. 10,000 proposed dividend, where it will go? Non-cash expenses, add. So you will write add proposed dividend. You can look, I mean, you can have a look here on the screen before you write. Add proposed dividend 10,000. Because it is added, therefore no bracket is there. हो गया dividend? Everybody is done? हो गया? Ashwati is there in the lecture? Ashwati?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, bacha, are you getting my, explanation?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts so far?
No, ma'am, I understand.
Okay, okay, bacha. Let me know if in case you don't understand anything, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Very good. Okay. So now interim dividend is done. If paid is 10,000, then proposed is also 10,000 until they disclose anything. If they disclose that proposed dividend is 8,000, then we will write 8,000 only. But now if they have not disclosed, we will assume that the proposed dividend is same as what is given as paid. Okay, everybody clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, income tax paid. Income tax is also given paid. So what is provision? What is provision for tax?
5,000.
Same 5,000, because before paying, we always do the provision of the same. It is similar to proposed dividend only. If the dividend is given as paid, that will be proposed. First it is proposed, then it is paid. Similar rule is followed for income tax also. If there is no item related in the balance sheet, I'm talking about that case. There is no income tax in the balance sheet, and in the adjustment, it is only one thing that is given and it is paid. So what must be the provision? Same 5,000. So two effects of income tax. Tell me, income tax paid, where it will go? Tax paid,
Less from adjustment.
operating activity. Very good. No, it is not less from adjustment of working capital. No, it is a separate heading. It is a separate heading. Like this is a heading. No, this is also a heading. See, net profit is a heading, treat non-cash, non-trade items, add working capital requirements, less tax paid. These are 4 headings. Do you understand? Let me highlight it. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
These are the headings. So less tax paid is separately given in the operating activity. Below adjustment of working capital, you can say. Okay, so the last heading, less tax paid, only one item is given, only one amount is given, therefore directly to the outer column. Tell me which amount is given. How much was the tax paid?
5,000.
Bracket 5,000.
Bracket 5,000, because less. Write down outer column, bracket 5,000, less tax paid. Outer column, bracket 5,000. Done? Everybody done? Come on, quickly, yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am, done.
Okay, now propose, sorry, this is tax paid. So what is provision for tax? It is not given in the question. Therefore, what we will assume, it is as same as what is given as paid. As same what is given as paid. So what is given as paid? 5,000. The same will be treated as provision for tax. What is provision for tax? Which activity?
Non-cash and
Non-cash
non-cash.
expense.
Very good. Operating activity mein non-cash. Non-cash, because it is provision. So provision means non-cash expense. Because it is an expense, therefore we are going to add it. See, look at my screen. Add provision for tax 5,000.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
5,000 inner column. 5,000 inner column. Very good. Done with all the adjustments. Have a look at all the adjustments on the liability side, on the asset side. Please have a look at whole question and let me know, is there anything which is left over? Is there anything which is left and we have not
No, ma'am.
shown it in the cash flow statement? Yes, it is there. It is there, no? Only
And bank.
single. Yes, only one item is there, bank account. And it will be shown little later on. जब हम last में पहुंचेंगे. When we will reach at the last point of opening and closing cash balance. Okay. So shall we close the account now?
Yes, ma'am.
So come to operating activity. The first step is to close the operating activity. That means page number 2, the second format. Net profit is already written in the outer column 10,000. Now non-trade, non-cash and non-trade items. You have many amounts here in the inner column. Add all of them.
65,000 ही आ रहा है, ma'am.
65,000 inner column, outer column आया. Everybody
Yes,
has
ma'am.
got that. Only Jayashree has got that. Who else? Raise your hand.
Ma'am, 65,000.
Okay,
5,000.
very good. Who else? Okay, Suruchi is also done. Who else? Come on, quickly raise your hand if you're done. Preeti, Jaya. Only 4-5 students are raising hands. Gauri, very good. Shabnam, come on, quickly raise your hands. Yes, Riya, Swati, Kajal, Ikra. Yes, who else? Shivam, Qureshi, Shafiq, Priya. तुम लोग का नहीं हुआ अभी तक?
मैम हो गया, बोला मैंने।
ओके ओके। अनु, रिचा, काजल।
Yes, ma'am. Done. मैंने बोला.
ओके। किरण, महिमा, शबनम।
मैम बोले हम लोग।
ओके ओके, ठीक है, चलो डन ना सबका। मतलब अभी 65,000 आ गया मतलब सबका, ठीक है। अब आपको क्या करना है? एडजस्ट वर्किंग कैपिटल। एडजस्ट वर्किंग कैपिटल, यू हैव 4 अमाउंट्स, so add all of them. Add means whatever, add less, whatever is there, do it.
Bracket 87 में आ रहा है मैम।
Negative 87 means bracket 87. Bracket 87. Now less tax paid is already there in the outer column, less 5,000. So look at the outer column. How many amounts you have in the outer column?
4.
4. So do it in the calci. 10,000 plus 65,000 minus 87,000 and minus 5,000. So what is your final figure?
Bracket 17,000.
Bracket 17,000.
Bracket 70 means cash used or cash generated?
कैश यूज्ड।
Cash used. There is a printing mistake here. Let me just.
Ma'am, I have doubt when we write used and generated.
Yeah.
Negative आएगा तो
When do you
use
use? Okay. When do you are asking me when do we use generated word and used word, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Listen very carefully. When you get a negative answer, you will write used. And when you get a positive answer, you will write generated.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anu asked me doubt, no? Anu bacha, clear hua?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So now it is net cash used from operating activity 17,000 negative. Write down net cash used from operating activity. Now take this same sentence and the figure in your main format under cash from operating activity. You have a cash from operating activity as a heading.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Write down below that net cash generated from operating activity 17,000. 17. It is used. Sorry, it is used. So it is net cash used from operating activity 17,000. Is it now clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now you have so many items in investing activity also in the inner column. Please. Sorry. Okay. So what you have to do now? What you have to do? Add all of them and bring it to the outer column, next new line. See, the first figure is 1,10,000 minus. So 1,10,000 negative is there. So what you need to do? 1,10,000, then left hand side plus and minus button is there. Press that button. Automatically on the calculator screen, you will be able to see minus 1,10,000, isn't it? Yes or no, my dear?
Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
me. Yeah. So 1 minus 1,10,000 minus 2,000 plus 15,000 minus 16,000 and plus 21,000. So what is your
Minus
answer?
92.
Minus 92 means bracket 92. You have to put bracket.
Yes, ma'am.
Bracket 92,000. And then what is the statement that you will write? Anu, you tell me, net cash used or net cash generated?
Ma'am, net cash used.
Very good. So now I hope it is clear when to use word
Yes, ma'am.
used and when to use generated. So it is investing activity. We are done with investing activity. Okay. Now
ma'am.
financing activity. See, you have 4 to 5 items in the financing activity in the inner column. Add them all and bring it to the outer column.
Positive 90,000, ma'am.
Positive 90. Anu, tell me what you will write.
Ma'am, generated.
Tell me the full sentence.
Net cash generated from financing activity.
Very good, very good. Net cash generated from financing activity. So it is 90,000. Now in the outer column, you have three amounts: minus 17, minus 92. Come on, do it in Calci. Minus 17. Then deduct 92,000 from there. Minus 92 and plus 90,000. So net increase or decrease in cash. What did you get? What did you get?
Ma'am, net decrease.
Very good. So net decrease in cash is how
Bracket
much?
19,000.
Very good. Bracket
Minus
19.
bracket 19.
Bracket 19,000. So it is net decrease in cash in the particulars column. Next, क्या करते हैं हम net increase and decrease in cash के बाद? What do we do?
Add opening cash balance.
Very good. Write down add opening cash balance and look at the question then. Tell me how many cash balances are there?
Ma'am, only one.
Only one. So we can write it in the outer column, bank account. How much is the opening balance?
35,000.
Go to the next line. Write down bank balance. Outer column 35,000. Just below opening cash balance, write down bank balance. 35,000 outer column.
35.
Yes. It has to be added or deducted? Yes, added or deducted?
Ma'am, added.
Added, very good. So in what amount we have to add this 35,000?
Net decrease in cash.
Beautiful answer, very good. Net decrease in cash. What is net decrease in cash?
Bracket
Added.
19,000.
Negative.
Bracket, yes. मतलब आप कैल्सी में कैसे डालेंगे? कैलकुलेटर लीजिए, उसमें डालिए 19,000, but you know, put the sign of minus before 19,000. How will you do it? On the left hand side, you have plus minus ka button. Press that. Automatically on the screen, you will be able to see minus 19,000. Now plus 35,000. So do it. Plus 35.
16,000.
16,000 positive answer. So you need to check in the question, what is our closing balance? So what is the closing balance? What is the closing balance of cash, bank? Yes, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the closing cash balance in the question?
16,000, ma'am.
16,000, very good. 16,000. So our answer matches with 16,000, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So means our answer is correct. Means our whole sum is correct. Because this 16,000 is already given in the question, closing bank balance. And this is what our answer should be. Okay. Is it clear now, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I feel we are done with the sum and we can wind up with the lecture. Any doubts so far?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Ask
No,
me
ma'am.
if you have any doubts. No? Sure? Can we wind up with the lecture? Should I give you one sum as homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Let me just give you one single sum as in homework. See, 5.9, 5.10 and 5.11. All three sums are done. Okay. Now I feel yes, this is very easy and you can do this also. Or else, yeah, do this sum. 5.13 is homework. See, if you suppose if you don't understand adjustment number 2, if you don't understand adjustment number 3, then only that particular adjustment you leave. And then I will be explaining you that in the next lecture, and we will wind up with the question. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you're going to do it 5.13 in your homework, but please make sure you are doing it, because if somebody, suppose 10 students are doing it and suppose 5 students are not doing it, then the loss of those 5 students, I will not be able to, take that loss, because I will start that sum only with the doubts. Suppose if somebody has doubt in adjustment number 3, so I will explain it only explain adjustment number 3. That's it. You cannot say I have doubt in whole sum. You cannot say that. Okay. So if somebody has doubts, I will clear that. I will clear all the doubts in the next lecture, but make sure you're doing it in homework, because if you don't do it in homework, then even if you attend the lecture, you will not be able to understand those doubts. For that, you need to solve it yourself. Okay? Are you sure I'm giving you just one sum as an homework? It will take hardly half an hour to complete this. Is that okay? I feel there should not be any doubt, but in case if you have any doubt, you can clear it out in the next lecture. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So note down please 5.13 homework. So now I will stop my screen sharing option, and I think it's good time to end the lecture. Our time is also over. You have
Bye,
another
ma'am.
lecture also. Yeah. Okay. Bye everybody. Take care. I'm ending the meeting. Okay. Bye everyone.